Another important thing that we need to discuss in the if statement is combining more than one condition. We used this type of combination before while we used AND. So what are those operators and how are they used? So we have AND, OR, and NOT. AND means that this expression is true if and only if both its conditions are true. OR means that this expression is true if one condition of it is true. And NOT means that it reverses the condition from true to false or false to true. So here if we say, for example, integer x equals 5, integer y equals 7. So what if we need to apply a rule if x equals 5 and y is equal to 7? So we can say if x equal 5 and y equal 7, then we can say system.out.println both values are correct. So here if I run, like you see, he printed this statement. Why? Because x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. But if I say, for example, if x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6, this is not correct because y is not equal to 7. So here both statements are not correct or true. So he will not print this statement. Let's refresh. So here when I run, like you see, he didn't print anything. Okay. So we can say here else system.out.println the condition is not satisfied. So here he will print this statement. Okay. So what about OR? So OR is written like this. This means that in order for this statement to be printed, any of the two conditions should be correct. So here the if statement is true. Why? Because x is equal to 5. Here, like we see, he will print both values are correct. So let's change this statement. We can say the if condition is met. And then I run. So he says the if condition is met. If y is 7, so here both conditions are correct. It also works. But what if x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3? So here, like we see, the condition is not satisfied. Okay. Then we have the not. So we can say not equal. This means that if x is not equal to 5 or y is equal to 3, print the condition is met. So here x is not equal to 5. So here x is not equal to 4, sorry, not 5, because x is 5. So if I run, he will run this statement because the first condition x is not equal to 4 is met. So like we said, we have three main comparison operators. We have AND, OR, and NOT.